Hi everyone, today in this video we will learn how we can send the broadcast messages using TelebuSocial portal. So this is the portal appsocial.telugu.com. Using your login credentials you can log into the portal. Once you're logged in, you can find a dashboard over here. So you can select any one bot from here and then you will be landed to this page. Here you can find all the features available in the TelebuSocial portal. So for now I'll select the third feature, that is broadcast. So in the third feature, that is broadcast, if you click on, you will find all these options present over here. So to send out the broadcast messages, first you need to get your templates approved. So the template messages should be approved by Meta. So the basic timeline given by Meta to approve your templates is of 24 hours, but the templates get approved within 5 minutes or less than 5 minutes. So to create a template message, you just need to click on create new template. So if you can see the screen, all these are the approved messages which were created earlier. So now I'll just click on create new template. So once you click on this, you will find two options over here. One is create from scratch and the other one is choose from templates library. So create from scratch is nothing but you need to create a completely new template, and then you have a different option called as choose from template library. If you click on this option and then if you select the type of your industry and then the category of messages you want to send to your clients, then you will get the AI generated template messages content. You can just use any one of them based on the industry and then the category of message whichever you prefer to send. So now I'll click on creating from scratch. I want to create a new template, so I will click on create from scratch and give the template name. So I have given the name of the template, and then I'll select the language. There are n number of languages present in the platform. There are regional, national and international languages present in the platform. You can select the language and then you can select the purpose of your template. Purpose of your template is nothing but the category of messages which you want to send out using WhatsApp API. So we have three categories of messages. One is marketing, one is authentication, and one is the utility. Marketing are the promotional or advertisement related marketing messages. Authentication are the OTP related messages, and utility are the service related and notifications transaction based services. And then you have to select the content of your template. We have text and media, cross-sell, offer with coupon. For now I will select text and media, wherein you will be able to attach a text as well as a media document to your message. So I'll select the header. Header might even be a text or media or anything like image, video or document. I'll select the body text. Body text is the content of your message, and then footer. Footer is the suffixing point of your entire template message. And then buttons. Buttons are the quick reply options you can get from the platform. Then once you give all this information defining your template, you can click on continue. Once you click on continue, you can just select the header. It can be also an image, video, text or document. For now I'll select the image and then I'll browse the image. And then I'll give the body text over here. And if you want to specify the names of your clients, you can just click on add variable. So whenever you just send out the broadcast, you can specify the names of your clients and then send out the messages accordingly. So the body text could be limited up to 1024 characters. Then if you want to add any italics, or you want to scribble the words, or if you want to add emojis, you can do that in the portal. And then if you want to bold any of the characters, you can bold it as well. So then you can select, you can add the photo over here. For now I'll add it as Team Telugu. And then we have to give the button labels. We have three types of buttons basically. One is call to action URL, that whenever any of the client clicks on the button, they will be redirected to the company website. Then we have the second button, that is call to action phone number. If any clients click on this button, they will be able to call you. And then we have quick reply. Quick reply is nothing but this is a kind of button wherein in the system we can set up the chatbot. If someone clicks on interested, not interested, or any other button, they'll be redirected to get the furthermore messages by the WhatsApp API number. For now I'll select the quick reply option and add this as the button label as interested. And if you want to add any kind of opt-out button, you can also click on this option. You just need to enable this. Opt-out button will be added automatically. Then you can click on request approval. Specify before you click on before this get approved by Meta, you have to specify why you are using the variable over here. So I'm using this for the names of the client, so I'll specify this as name and then click on confirm. So the template is submitted for approval. So as I told you, the basic timeline given by Meta is of 24 hours, but basically it takes 5 minutes or less than 5 minutes to get your templates approved by Meta. So as you can see, the template message got approved by Meta. It is less than few minutes that our template got approved by Meta. Once it is approved, we can click on broadcast history and then we can send out the broadcast. We can click on the first option, that is broadcast history. If you want to create a new broadcast, click on create new broadcast. You can give the broadcast name. And then select the target channel. The target channel will be WhatsApp. And then the broadcast type will always be the send template message. And then select the template. You have to select the template from the drop down given over here. You just need to type it here if you want as well. And then you have to browse the image once again. And here we have to give the body parameter. So we have to give the body parameter for the variable 1. So always whenever you want to specify the names of your clients, you have to use the attribute called as user.firstname, so that the names of your clients will be called out from the Excel format, which we will be giving in the next steps. So the first button is interested, so you have to select on path, and then you just need to select the path by which they should get the furthermore messages. I will select the greet returning user, and then if someone clicks on not interested, they will get a thanking message. And then if someone clicks on stop promotions, even they will be getting a thanking message. So we have two user groups to send out the messages using WhatsApp API service. One is contact list and then the other one is segment. Contact list is nothing but sending out the messages using a Excel format. We will be sharing a Excel format in the platform itself, wherein the clients can download it and then add the names and numbers of their clients. And then segment is nothing but if you want to send out any messages customized libly, like in regards to the chatbot, then we can use the segment. And then if you want to select an opt-out button, so if what is the opt-out button, you just need to select from here. It is stop promotions. Now I have clicked on stop promotions. And then target contact list. Target contact list is nothing but the target people to whom you want to send out this message. So you can just select the list from the drop down. Once you create the contact list, it will be always be present in the platform. You just need to click on the drop down and you can select it accordingly. So if you want to create a completely new contact list, what you need to do is click on this option, import contact list. And then if your clients are of single country, you can select the single country option, and if they are of the multiple countries, you can select the multiple countries option. So for now I'll select the single country and then select the country from the drop down, and then you have to upload the contact list. So the contact list can be downloaded in two formats, that is XLS or CSV format. You can just click on this and then this format gets downloaded in your system. So in this Excel format, you need to enter the names and numbers of the clients. So the first column is the mandatory one, wherein you need to add the phone numbers, and then if you have the names of your clients, you can also add the names of your clients in the B column. And this all from C to G column, the last name, username, city, anything, any product name or text or age, anything, all this, if you're having the information, then you can add. If not, this is a basically app opt-out options. You can just opt this out. But please note, you should never change the first row. Let it be the same always. So for now, I'll give the phone number. Just convert this from the general format to the number one, and then you can decrease the decimal value. Save this file in your system. So this is saved. You need to just browse this in your system and then give the name of your test message, the contact. And then you have an option to exclude users who have opted out. If you enable this option, whoever clicks on stop promotions will be opted out from getting the furthermore broadcast messages from the next time. And then if you want to split your broadcast into multiple cells, you can also do that. And then there is option to schedule. If you want to send the message now, you can click on send now, and if you want to schedule it to some other day, some other time or a happening of any event, you can just click on this option, and then you can select the repetition period and then the date and time. Accordingly, this broadcast will be scheduled. So I want to send this broadcast now, and then if you want to test the broadcast before sending out to your clients, you can just click on this option, test broadcast, give your phone number with the country code, and then once you receive the text message, what you can do is you can click on publish broadcast, so that what all contacts you have given in the contact list in the Excel format, all of them will be receiving this message. So before publishing, you will be getting a census of how many contact limit you have, and what are the uploaded contacts and how many are remaining. All the census you'll be able to get. So now this is sent. So as you can see here, we have received the broadcast messages. That is the template message, whichever I have created with the buttons interested, not interested, and stop promotions. If someone clicks on interested, they'll be getting the furthermore messages, whichever we have set in the backend. So once the broadcast is done, you can click on the three dots over here and click on view broadcast. Then you will be getting a graphical representation of the reports of your broadcast. So basically this is a report, the graphical representation report. And if you want to get a detailed report related to your broadcast, like how many have read the broadcast and how many did they receive, if they have responded with any button, or if they have clicked on any button, what you can do is just click on these three dots and then click on export broadcast. So a Excel format will be downloaded into your system. So from there you can just check all the data related to your broadcast. So if you can see over here, you will be getting all the data related to your template broadcast. So if it is a successful message, did it get delivered, what was the red status, and if they have clicked on any button, so what was the button they clicked. If they clicked, it shows us button click. If they have not clicked, then it shows us NA. And then if they have clicked on any button, what button it was actually. So here 2 persons have not clicked on any button and 2 have clicked on the call me button. So this is how a detailed report of the entire broadcast you will be receiving in the system. So this is all about the broadcast, the creation of message templates, and then sending out of the broadcast history. And then once the broadcast is sent, after 30 minutes you can download the broadcast report. Thank you.